Are you a higher education teacher in India? Do you aspire to earn more through your teaching skills? If the answer is a yes, please watch this 5-minute video and get a paid teaching assignments by reputed education institutions in India. A very warm welcome to everyone on Talent Blazer platform. Today I will show you how to create a teacher's profile on our website. So first of all, we will open any browser, Chrome, Google, Firefox, anything will work. Then we will type Talent Blazer. So here you can see the official website of Talent Blazer is opened. Now you have to click on the Register tab. As all of you are new to the platform, so you have to make yourself register first. Here you can see the two options are there, and we are getting ourselves registered as a teacher. Then we will click on register as teacher. Then the registration page will be there, and you have to fill that some mandatory details to get yourself registered. A username, that is your official name. I am writing a random name here. Then mobile number, city in which you are currently residing. You have to select the state from the drop down menu. Your email ID. Make sure to use your official email ID, otherwise the process will get delayed. Then you have to type your highest qualification, masters, PhD, graduation. After that you have to create a password. I will suggest you to make a alphanumerical password. Here you can see the two questions are there, whether you have qualified the UGC NET exam or not. The same goes with the PhD. After filling all the details, we will click on the Create tab. Now the registration is done. Then we will have to simply log in. We will go to the login tab and we will log in by our username and the password which we have created recently. After sign in, this type of dashboard will be open. You have to go to the Create Listing tab and start creating your listing, that is your profile. Select the General tab. Now write your full name, your official full name. Then again your highest qualification. Now qualifying college and university, from which college you have qualified and the university from which they are affiliated to. Then you have to type the total teaching experience you have in years. Then again your current city, your current state. Then you have to select for which you want to teach for undergrad, postgrad, or for both the options. Now here comes the subject. So we have 5 subject options here. In case you are teaching more than one subject, you can write that, and if you are teaching only one subject, then you have to fill not applicable option in these fields, because if you leave these fields empty, then the profile won't get submitted. So make sure that each and every field is filled properly. I am writing the random subjects here. Now comes the mode of teaching. Whether you want to go for the online mode, offline mode, or both the options you are available for, you have to select that. Now the payment. The amount you are charging for 1 hour of lecture, you have to mention that. Then description. So you have to describe yourself, kind of a introduction where you can explain your teaching experience. A short introduction of 4 or 5 lines is okay. Then your contact details, your mobile number and your email ID. Then college you are currently teaching in. You have to name the college where you are currently teaching. In case if you are not teaching, then you have to fill NA, otherwise it won't get submitted. Then the university which the college is affiliated to. Here we have an option of profile video thumbnail. So basically profile video thumbnail is your professional photo. Okay, I am uploading a random photo here. Then profile video. So basically profile video is a short introductory video where you can explain yourself, your teaching experience, your qualification, and that's all. Then we have a demo video. Demo video is a short video of your you can explain any topic of your choice, a 2-3 minute video. Then your PhD qualification. After that, select both the options and submit. Here you can see the profile is created successfully. Once your listing is submitted, it will be visible to all the colleges who are looking out for the projects. That's how it will look to all the colleges. So that's all everyone. We are very happy to have all of you with us in this journey. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.